So no one's actually inspected these electrics, despite what the electrical certificate says. Already had one socket that was wired illegally. I'm expecting cables to be loose in the back of this or something like that. I could be wrong. There we go. So you've got neutrals in there. Your earth is disconnected there. That's it?
Yeah.
I know it's because the electrics are isolated.
Yeah.
Your socket there, someone has done something really wonderful. I'll put it in there if we get the live. I know it's dead, but we just, so everyone feels comfortable. Look. So what I'm looking at here, see that? It's all floating around inside the box. So when you approached it with your hairdryer, it had shorted on the earth, and when you got your pin, the longest pin is the earth.
Yeah.
Gone into there, it's gone bang, popped the fuse.
Yeah.
And that
mess will be why.
That's an issue, isn't it? That's shocking.
That is bad.
That is shocking. No, honestly, I'm just absolutely appalled that an electrician has signed the electrics off in this house.
Yeah.
He should be reported, and whoever did this wants kicking in. That's crazy. But let's repair it. That's been sparking for some time, so it's been out of that. I don't know when, but you can see that little burn there. That's where I suspect it's gone live on the back box, and it's caused this to. If this has been too close, so it's gone live, it's sparked, and it's just burnt the outer sheath here.
Yeah.
But I tested the connections and they're good. And then we're going to put that back in. So yeah, it's tidier, it's better. And the electrician should be reported, really. And I say should be reported, we know it's the electrician because he signed it off.
Yeah.
Signed this off as safe. And he clearly, the guy didn't even know what he was talking about, couldn't be bothered. God knows where they got him from. Pillock. Kill people, that's what they do, they kill people. And it doesn't take much, does it?
No.
A little bit of diligence. And what we'll do, so you see these screws are in, yeah? Let's just prove that in fact there's a good earth connection now between the earth on the inside of the box. So if I put that connector onto there and then touch the screw, hear it? So we know that that's fully earthed. You don't need the earth in the back box, on the back box or the pattress box. You don't need the earth there as well as one in the face plate. So you're better off just putting your earth on the back box and just giving your lively neutrals into the back of the socket plate. Always good to spring your face plates when you screw them back up, just to make sure you haven't got any cables trapped. Now that's obviously twisted. That's because the back box, pattress box, was put in wonky to start with. There is an adjustment, you can twist it round. But if I do that, you've got to upset the decorating mark. But it was put in wonky. Okay, so we'll do a run a test. Thank you, switch that off. Always helps to take a video, so I can see the power circuit, which is here, which is in this box here. It's got no earth sleeving on it, that needs to be changed. And then we've got light in here. I presume this is the switch arrangements. This will be where the wire has been taken for switch. This goes to the light on the other side.
So let's sort this mess out. I'll put some earth sleeves on that. Wow.
Yeah. That's fantastic. Now let me get the thing.